Hey, I'm Kimberly Cherie, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this faux blowout look using the T3 Lucea.
I like to start off by sectioning off my hair, and then I brush out any knots and tangles. My hair is naturally very curly and extra curly at the roots, so I like to tap the flat iron a few times there, giving it a few extra passes, then going down the rest of the hair. This part's super easy. I like to take the flat iron and pull my hair up and away from my scalp, but as I'm doing it, I curl it under just a little bit so that when I'm done, there's a bit of a wave and bounce there. That's going to create volume later on to give me that faux blowout look. I repeat this technique for every section. The 1.5 Lucea flat iron is the perfect flat iron to achieve this look. When I'm done, I like to comb through with a wide tooth comb, and then I sort of pump and push and zhuzh my hair so that it sits exactly the way that I want it